Spider, you see anything?
Negative. I don't know what they're seeing, but I got nothing.
What about you, Tiny?
Negative, Mav. They're smoking something. There's nothing in this shithole.
All right, let's head back to the Humvee. I'll call it in. Copy?
Copy.
Copy.
What the hell is that? Oh, shit. Tiny's down. I'm gonna go back for him.
Negative, Spider. It's too late. We have to... Get to higher ground. Home base is Bravo 9er. We're taking on heavy fire. We need air support.
Bastards are everywhere.
Bravo 9er, do you read? Of course they're gonna leave us blind.
Look, Mav, we need to move. Okay, he's in a bad spot.
Oh, we're pinned here.
So what do you want to do?
I don't know, Red. Let me think for a minute.
This is it, huh? There ain't no going back, okay? We're dying here. Just want to get out of this shithole and go home.
Look at me. Look at me. We're outnumbered and outgunned. We might not make it out of here alive. Is that what you want to hear? No? Okay. Calm down so I can figure a way out of here.
All right.
Okay?
All right. Hey, Mav. You got a home waiting for you.
My wife, Maggie. And my baby girl, Allie.
How many years have I known you, and I ain't never known that you had a wife and kids?
I don't like talking about it. What about you? You gonna see your girl?
Yeah. Yeah. She's pregnant, you know.
With your kid?
Shut up, man. Yeah, it's mine. It's a boy.
That's good, Red. Proud of you.
Kind of freaked out, though, you know?
You're gonna be a good dad. You know that, right?
What about Maggie? How'd y'all meet?
Church. You can believe that. She was out in the foyer when I came out and sat next to her. Right then and there, she asked me what my story was. I knew right then she was the one.
Can't wait to meet her, man.
Red, we need to take out that bunker. Give me cover fire. I'm gonna get you home, brother. Hey, Red.
I'm ready on your command.
Negative.
What? Why?
What are you gonna name him?
Sir?
Your boy. What are you gonna name him?
I don't know. We haven't thought about it yet.
You should name him Mav. And then we can take him to that lake you're always talking about to go fishing.
You okay, man?
Just thinking how peaceful it'd be. I love you, brother.
Come here. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, I need to get you home, okay? Look at me, little medic and evac on standby, come on. Man,
No need.
I need to get you home, man.
I am going home.
Stay with me. Stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me.
Look, Dad. His name is like mine.
That's right. Mav? Love you, brother.